Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So, I didn't expect for this package to come this late. It's like 9 right now, even though it arrived at 8. But, yeah, I basically got an Essential Electronics Toolkit, as well as some other stuff from iFixit. So, let's get right into it. Okay, man, I'm excited. This is my first actual formal toolkit. Here's the invoice. And here's everything. As well as my repair manifesto. This is just an anti-static sorting tray. Although it is surprisingly durable. Let me just get this out of the way. And here it is. The Essential Electronics Toolkit. I figure this opens... How does it open? Oh. Looks like we need to grab this again. I can hear stuff rattling inside. That is not good. Beautiful. This is way bigger than I expected it to be. But yeah, I'm guessing. Yeah, some stuff fell. Here's the sorting grid. Even though I got that mat, this is still pretty cool to take. Everything just kind of fell out. But, yeah. This is essentially the toolkit. We got 2 opening tools. How do you remove these? Push down to remove the tools. So we only have 1 of these. We got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 6 opening picks. Here's the suction handle. Literally. Here's the plastic bit for the standard screw sizes. Pen lobe, Phillips, flathead, basically all the things. Here we have the spudger. It's pretty cool. And here's the jimmy. Basically just a sharp aluminum thing. But yeah, this is essentially everything you need to repair everything. Or anything, really. I like it. Anyway, next, this is just an update on this UMX phone I got. Now, I managed to get this past the checking connection screen. However, as I soon came to realize, it essentially became Google locked. And I tried to find a bypass for this, and I couldn't find any solution. So feel free to comment any suggestions on what I should do to remove this iCloud. No, not iCloud, but Google account. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.